Memory is something very short, and we need to keep alive where we come from, so we will know where to go.
Quando si ha una certa età ti senti da sola. Ti senti sola, però bisogna per reagire, di uscire e di trovare la compagnia.
This is Italy. Everybody thinks their grandma is the best pasta maker. But my grandma is the queen. If you can hear the sound of her touching the flowers, crack the eggs, I think that 99% of people can recognize something from their own childhood. I think there is a kind of art therapy there.
Bella, senti la pasta a farla, è una cosa bella, a me piace.